Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Fabit. I'm from Kerala and I'm working in Nashik. So, correct 1 year before, I was like, my hair was like here and this side, everything was like very old. Looking was very old person because of loss of hair. And so the Nashik was new for me that time. So that time I searching website and how many things I searched, so many asked so many person which one is best in Nashik. So that's why I came here, I reached here, I consult here. So after that, I got an idea what are the procedure is going and what are the packages and what are the types of hair transplant, everything. So based on my hair and my need, I choose one transplant. So it was really the procedure was so what we can say, it was smooth and result also you can see my hair now. And literally I am normal person now. And if you are seeing my previous photo, you will be shocked that much difference is there. So what can I say? This their services and everything was excellent, and their follow-up was good, and they are continuously follow regarding medicine and everything. So I am really happy for this, and I think in Nashik, this new root hair in Nashik is the best clinic, I think. If anybody looking for hair transplant like me, or if you are looking don't waste your time while searching, you directly come here, directly approach New Root Hair in Nashik location.